Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in Microsoft tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to edit SharePoint forms in 2025. With Microsoft's ongoing updates, editing forms has become even more intuitive, helping you customize workflows for better collaboration. Whether you're managing team documents or tracking projects, mastering this skill will save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site. If you're new, head to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific list or library where your form is located. For example, if it's a project tracker, find that list in your site contents. Now, to edit the form, click on the list and select Edit in Grid View, or go to the form settings. In 2025, SharePoint has enhanced its interface with a more user-friendly design. Look for the Customize button at the top. This opens the form editor, where you can drag and drop fields, add new ones, or modify existing ones like text boxes or drop-downs. Don't forget to use the preview mode to see how your changes will look on different devices. A quick tip: always save your work frequently to avoid losing changes, and consider using Power Apps integration for advanced customizations. If you're dealing with permissions, ensure you have the right access level. Admins might need to grant you edit rights. Wrapping this up, editing SharePoint forms is a game changer for productivity. Give it a try on your next project, and if you run into any issues, check the Microsoft support docs. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.